The prehistoric age refers to the period before written records existed. Our knowledge comes from archaeological discoveries like stone tools, fossils, and cave paintings. In India, this period is mainly divided into the Stone Age, followed later by Bronze and Iron Age developments. The Stone Age is divided into three major phases: Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic. This classification is based mainly on the technology of stone tools and the economic activities of humans. Over time, societies gradually moved from hunting and gathering to agriculture. The Paleolithic Age, also known as the Old Stone Age, is the earliest stage of human cultural development. Humans survived mainly through hunting animals and gathering wild plants. They used crude stone tools like hand axes and often lived in caves or rock shelters. The Paleolithic period is divided into three phases: lower, middle, and upper. The lower phase used simple tools, while later phases developed more sophisticated stone technology. By the Upper Paleolithic phase, humans began creating art such as cave paintings. The Mesolithic Age represents a transition phase between the Old and New Stone Age. The most important feature is the use of microliths, which are small stone tools. During this period, humans started experimenting with animal domestication and semi-settled lifestyles. The Neolithic Age marks a revolutionary phase in human history. Humans started practicing agriculture and domesticating animals. Permanent villages emerged, and polished stone tools were used. Pottery and weaving also developed during this period. Stone tools are the most important archaeological evidence of prehistoric life. The Paleolithic period used large tools like hand axes, while Mesolithic people used tiny microliths. In the Neolithic Age, polished tools known as cells became common. Prehistoric rock art is one of the most fascinating aspects of early human culture. The famous Bhimbetka caves contain paintings depicting animals, hunting scenes, and daily life. These paintings help historians understand prehistoric society and beliefs. UPSC often asks questions about prehistoric sites. Bhimbetka is famous for rock shelters and paintings, while Burzahom in Kashmir shows pit dwellings from the Neolithic Age. Sites like Mehergarh and Chirand provide evidence of early agriculture and settlements. The most important transformation in prehistoric society was the shift in food patterns. Early humans depended on hunting and gathering. Gradually, during the Mesolithic and Neolithic periods, humans began domesticating animals and cultivating crops, leading to permanent settlements. Since prehistoric societies had no written records, historians rely on archaeological evidence. Stone tools, fossils, pottery, and cave paintings help reconstruct early human life. Excavations of ancient sites provide valuable information about prehistoric cultures. The Chalcolithic period represents a transition phase when humans started using copper along with stone tools. Agriculture expanded, settlements grew larger, and societies became more organized. This stage ultimately paved the way for the emergence of early civilizations like the Indus Valley Civilization.